How to get T-Mobile Netflix. First, open the T-Life app, and then sign into your T-Mobile account. Step 2, go to Manage, See Plans, and then Manage Add-ons. This is T-Mobile's current documented path. Step 3, select Netflix. Scroll to the Services section and select the available Netflix service. Then tap Continue. Step 4, choose when it starts and accept. If T-Mobile gives you a start date option, select Change Date and choose your preferred start date. If you don't change it, T-Mobile says the service starts immediately. Then tap Agree and Submit. Step 5, go to Netflix and link your account. Tap Go to Netflix and then enter the email address for your existing Netflix account or enter the email you want to use if you're creating a new Netflix account. Then continue and enter your Netflix password. Step 6. Confirm your Netflix plan. Confirm the Netflix plan shown, then select Continue. Finally, review the plan details and tap Start Watching. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.